Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick update video and kind of a review of these GE LED Plus remote controlled color changing LED bulbs. So I bought these from Lowe's because, as I mentioned in my tour video, I wanted colored bulbs. And for these two recessed lights on the outside of our house, obviously I got the flickering one in the middle. But usually it's when we got these recessed lights installed, I guess we just bought these Sylvania BR30 LED bulbs. They're just regular warm white things. This one's kind of rattly because I dropped it, but it does still work. And a lot of times, like for Christmas, for Halloween, I usually just only do this. But this year I thought, hey, let's do some colored bulbs. So I thought I've been looking at Home Depot and Lowe's, and what else did I look? And well, first I didn't look at Lowe's, but for some reason I could not find. I don't know if I left the stool there. I should probably go grab that. For some reason I could not find colored LED bulbs that were either regular like colored bulbs that were not either incandescent or not in this BR30 size, because I could only do BR30 because that's what fits. Why does that one stick out more than that one? Did I not screw that one in all the way? Weird. These lights aren't the greatest either. It's really flickering on the camera for some reason. Oh wow, look at that. Well, I guess the LEDs aren't the greatest then. So I found a couple of options. So I thought, oh, why not go? I know there's like color changing. I just thought about like smart Wi-Fi bulbs. I could go in these two lights, but like that's not the greatest. But then I stumbled across these. I found these at Lowe's. They're $23 each, so they were like $51 with tax. So they look like regular bulbs, but they're not. They're actually like color changing, and they have remotes. So this is the remote for this one. Or no, it's this one actually. I get mixed up. And you can see it changes colors. Wow, that flickering is really bad. And it can do a warm and cool whites. So it'll probably just stay on warm white for the rest of the year. I can, like, there's different dim modes and stuff. So I'm putting it back on purple. For some reason that's really freaking out. So I'll just set it for warm white for the video. Or just back to orange, I guess. Oh no, that's worse. It's warm white it is. So yeah, here's the remote for this one, and so you can see off and on, and then you got all the different colors. You got red, green, orange, which flickers really bad on camera, blue, turquoise color, yellow, pink, which is also flickering on camera for I don't know why. This one the same. It has a different remote. Pushing the wrong button. Oh, I see. Oh yeah. So this one here, for this one, is an RF, and this other one is IR, so I have to point it at the remote, which is change it to white for a second here. I can. This one has this one has 100%, 70%, 40%, so you can dim it, but only on. What's nice is since they use different remotes, they won't respond to each other. Means I also have to bend the accurately. Now I saw on the Lowe's website that apparently these remember their color or whatever you have them set to. So I'm gonna set this one back to purple. Actually, I'm gonna set it to red because it's the less looking thing. Watch what happens when I flip the switch. But this one stayed to the orange color. This one obviously, that's not part of this video. But this one goes to the white, which is kind of annoying. But at least this one has the RF remote, so I can easily just quickly change it from inside. Or at least I think so. That's what these RF remotes do. So, yeah. And you're not changing. There we go. Yeah. So, yeah. A little annoying that this one remembers. This one doesn't. Or this one does and this one doesn't. It's nice that the one that does remember is the one that is the RF one. Which is fine because I probably won't be changing these very often. Can you turn off, please? Thank you. Pushing the wrong button again. So, yeah. Yeah. So, a little annoying that that one doesn't remember stuff, but whatever. These were 20. Oh, yeah, I set that already. So then, what I'll do is that nice that it does go to that setting. So, obviously, I'll put another. I have the third Sylvania, so that'll go. Or maybe I'll go back to Lowe's and buy another one of these, so all three of them match. But I can just easily change them back, and they matched pretty well to the Sylvania one. Actually, I can show you. See how they do match. They seem pretty close. These GEs are 8.5 watts, but they use 60. Provides nearly the same. Okay, so it is a little bit dimmer. These are 9 watts, so it's probably around the same wattage, but they look close enough in person that yeah, they look pretty close. One back to orange, this one back to purple, which I don't know why it flickers so much on the camera. I guess it's just the LEDs they use. So yeah, I haven't gotten another floodlight fixture because I just have not been to Home Depot recently. I did go to Lowe's, but I never looked. I was only looking for these bulbs. If I ever go to Home Depot, then I will certainly get another one of these things. Now, since these can do Christmas colors, I'll probably just use them. I can just. Oh, whoops. Really. I'll just set these both to Christmas colors, and then I can just. Which one is better? I think the red one is doing it again. Red. Go red. Yeah, I think that looks better. This one is orange because it cross. This one is purple. It's crossed when the purple lights on actually. Obviously there's these ones here, but yeah. Wow, that is really flickering on camera. That is weird. It's super annoying that it doesn't remember. I thought it would. Let's see if it remembers if you turn this on and off with the remote, but not with the switch. Which is nice, because I thought I could just set it and do the set it and forget it type of thing. But apparently not. But whatever, I'll just can always change it. So yeah, I probably won't do a nighttime shot showing how bright these are. I'll probably just see for myself, unless I just do decide. Anyway, I think that's about everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That sounded weird. Goodbye.